Meet Elisala Baker, 43 years of age, from the villages of Luotuanu and Eva. Despite being born and raised in New Zealand, he is proud to be Samoan.
This is my home. This is where my ancestors are from, my parents. And it makes me happy to be here because we all look the same. And everyone is speaking Samoan. You go into the whaloloa, like Samoan music, like everyone's for Samoa, and it really makes me feel like I'm really home for the first time. Because the way the life is in Samoa is very simple. You take care of the land and the land takes care of you. And so for me, it is a beautiful homecoming because I get to find out my real roots, i Samoa, so that I know who I am.
Elisala's got his first big break in the film industry 20 years ago when he landed a job on Peter Jackson's Lord of the Rings. Now he's a household name working with some of the Hollywood's famous actors and is currently working on 240 movies and TV shows.
All sorts of shows. I worked on a couple shows for The Rock. I worked with The Rock. I've done 5-6 movies with The Rock. Kama Dwayne. And we did a sivatau for Dwayne, the opening of the MTV Movie Awards. We did it with 20 Pacific Islanders and 20 African American dancers to mix the cultures of Dwayne, to open the MTV Movie Awards. And he was so happy to show the world who he is. And there's a lot of TV shows and movies that have Polynesians or even Samoans in them. And to have Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson also put out their Samoa's flag and say that I'm Samoan, this is my culture, this is who I am, it lets us know and lets everyone out there know that anyone can do it. It's not just me or King Kapisi or Jason Momoa, or it's just we tell our kids that we can all do it.
This is Elisala's first ever visit to Samoa. He's making the most of the opportunity to reconnect with his Samoan roots. He's in the country working alongside Pio Urale, Samoan rapper better known as King Kapisi, to be an international ambassador for Samoa, a promotional initiative under Samoa Tourism Authority and Plantation Store Company.
So if they see our faces on TV, they see our faces on the movies, then they go, oh, okay, they're coming Samoan, it's possible. And that's why, we're out there and promoting ourselves, but also we're Samoan, so therefore we're promoting Samoa at the same time and showing kids what is possible. We have to teach our kids that anything is doable, any goal is reachable. And we are here to be able to make sure that we promote Samoa. I mean, we promote Samoa regardless wherever we are in the world. If, I make Samoan hip-hop, I also, he's a Samoan actor, so we promote Samoa all the time for our whole lives, our whole careers.
Elisala's word of inspiration and encouragement to kids and youth of Samoa is to dream big and work hard at making those dreams a reality. He says he is a prime example that you can achieve your dreams. Elisala Baker for Tala Fou.